After learning system analysis and design, I realized that how how it's how things like brainstorming and planning matters when it comes to doing a job or beginning a project. Whether be it in IT field or any other job field, I feel like when doing a project, it's important to follow a systematic approach like analyzing, planning, and documenting to make the things easier to kickstart the project with a strong foundation. And about working in a group, I feel that I have become more open and social by working together in the group, and I learned managing my time while doing assignment with group members. Thank you.
My name is Andika Putratama, and this is my personal reflection. This unit has helped me to see IT role in business perspective. Now, I can visualize and have better understanding on how business functions. I also learned how to make diagrams, even more in such a short time. This will help me explain to my future clients about their business from IT perspective. Regarding working with teams, I now learn how to interact and work with people from different backgrounds. This is very important, knowing that we will work with people all around the world. I learned how to work efficiently, communicate efficiently. Thank you. So, where do each of the modeling techniques sit? We start from requirement matrix, which is very similar with its name, requirements. It sits on requirement analysis. Now on this stage we are analyzing the fundamentals, such as who are the stakeholders, what are their priorities, their major concerns, etc. By doing this, we can understand more about what is the business, who are doing the business, and what they are trying to achieve. Now after that we can go to the use case diagrams, which sits on this phase design. Now, use case diagrams design how things works as users. We now can visualize we can visualize the experience of the users while they are involving in the business. Activity diagrams also sits on design, but it is a little bit more detailed. Now we have the possibilities. We can visualize the possibilities of things that will happen while we are doing the business. If we do this, this probably gonna happen, and if we do that, this will probably gonna happen, and so on. And in class diagrams, we are even more detailed. We are going to the implementation as well as the design. Now we are designing diagrams in a perspective of IT. We are making things clearer how IT role can have an impact in the business, how the business will operate in the perspective of IT. And then lastly is the FMC diagrams, which is not here. FMC diagrams almost cover everything except the first one, requirement analysis. So FMC diagrams design on also implementing, testing, and also it's doing the evolution. Meaning it design how the business is going to function, like the flow of the IT role in it, how the seller and the customers and then the server and the service provider can interact each other. We can see the interaction within IT perspective, and then we also test it and see how it actually works, and then we have to make sure that everything goes perfectly without any flaws. And then after that, we are evaluating the system, which things can be improved or which things are not really necessary, then we can dispose, etc. Essentially, FMC diagrams, it's the vinyl diagrams that we need that represent the vinyl model of the business. Thank you.